Good evening YouTube. Another Maplin's clearance sale product, the Brunton Torpedo 2800 hybrid car power pack or adapter. It's quite interesting. It states it will charge your smartphone twice, which is probably not true. I believe this product to be maybe a little bit dated and probably have been in their stores for a little while, and technology has moved on since then. Output is 5 volt 1 amp and input is 5 volt or 12 volt. It's clever. There is your 12 volt input that will plug into any car socket. You've got your micro in, a USB, a status button which shows your state of charge, a lanyard position, and it's heavy. It states 140 odd grams. It feels a bit heavier. It's machined aluminium. It's doesn't feel cheap, I'll give you that. On sale, Maplin's $2.99. I said to my mate when he showed me the picture of what he picked up, I said, is there any left on the shelf? Just pick them all up for me, because I considered a 2,800 milliamp cell or 2,800 milliamp cell. I should have been a little bit more specific, because I ended up with 6 plus 1 on charge, 7. I'm not complaining. I've charged one up already. I'm charging the second one up now, and they are beasts, and I think they've got potential. Now the 5 volt 1 amp output is quite a limiting factor on this device, because the phone I'm filming on now is the Galaxy S8. It was a Galaxy S8, yeah, Android, and plugged into the charger, it will take at its current 40% state of charge, an hour and 8 minutes to fully charge. Plugged into one of these, it's 2 hours 40 minutes to charge. Therefore, yeah, it's dated. These have been in the storeroom for a little bit too long. So here we have one on charge. 3 little status indicator lights show that it's charging at 3 watts. Nice and clever. It's actually a pass-through as well, so you can actually plug in a secondary device into there. Now showing 5 watts. We'll unplug that. Goes back down to 3 watts. Takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge from a 12 volt socket. Haven't tried it from the micro, to be honest. Not really interested in that. Anyway, so you could possibly use that as some sort of UPS. Seeing as it's pass through, it will charge and charge and charge, and then power will continue to flow from the battery until it's flat. Or take it with you if you're going hiking, camping. It does actually state on the back GPSs and things, but let's have a look. Yeah, your GPS, your headlamp, your video camera, your UV water purifier, MP3 player and smartphone. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart now. I'm going to see what's inside. It does feel very well made. I'm pretty sure there must be a nice surprise in here. Machine screws as well, so no messing about undoing or breaking plastic clips. This workbench is a little bit bouncy at the moment, and I haven't actually finalised the lighting in here. I was thinking about leaving that for a little while, try a couple of different lights, but I did notice before I set up this video that I've got a flicker on this light. It's an LED 600x600 panel, which is switched off. Out that way. Pink cell? Ooh, 26F. Okay, they've lied to us straight off the bat, haven't they? It's not a 2800 milliamp cell. No, I can't pull that out there, so I will continue undoing some of these screws. This workbench is a little bit bouncy, so I'm just gonna lift my hands up. Feels like that's clipped in there somehow. So I guess if I remove these 2 halves without blowing myself up. Oh, there's one. Oh, and the little screens popped out, the little 3 dots. and the button. I'm guessing the back half comes out. And you can push the cell through. How about that? That's clever. So $2.99 has got us some aluminium, a printed circuit board, and a 26F M cell. I think that's 2600 milliamp. Who knows? I will check the data sheet very shortly. Right, yeah, so that cell is showing on the data sheet is a 2600 milliamp cell, possible 5.2 amp draw on these. It's very tightly packed on here. It's very, very well made. I'll switch the extra light on. Not too sad after all. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to keep these as they are. I'm going to put this back together and use them for lighting and random things. And there we go. That's a flicker on the light that I chose. So I'm going to switch that one off. Turn that light up there as an uplighter. But then again, when I've picked up 20 or so of these laptop batteries, which contain 6 of these 26C Samsung cells, it's not really viable for me to rip these down and destroy them when I can just tear these down and put out some 2500 milliamp cells. So yeah, well, I think let me know if you found this interesting. I'm still working on a lighting solution for in here. It seems that every light that I pick up has flicker on it, and it's slowing me down now. I've got some 12 watt 155mm diameter fittings that I'll be trying next. I can't really move forward in the Mancroft Mancroft basement until I found a suitable lighting solution that doesn't create too much shadow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This has been a little look at one of these. Very interesting. I'm gonna actually test the capacity of this one on the Opus and see if it's lost anything in being in storage. But I'll get back to you with a update video on that. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment and rate. We've broken the 3,500 subscriber barrier, so we're going to do something big sooner or later. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.